Hi, it's Graham Howell from Fine Country. We're at this beautiful village in Witherley today, which is moments from the market town of Atherstone. And what we have here is a fantastic 6-bedroom detached barn conversion. We've got brick stabling, paddocks on approximately, the plot is situated on just under 5 acres as well. Properties reach from a beautiful sweeping driveway through electric gates with ample parking. Come with me and we'll have a little look around inside. Thanks for joining me on this tour today and this beautiful 6-bedroom detached barn conversion. I said it would be an ideal place to finish the tour in this mature, established and secluded rear garden. If you'd like to arrange your own exclusive viewing on this property, my contact details will be following shortly. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon.